Hi guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to take you to my second mod that I'm going to do to Scarlet. And it's a cosmetic mod, but it also has some form of performance gains as well. Let's go take a look. Okay, so what's going on here? We have Scarlet being fitted for a carbon fiber ducktail spoiler. She has such a sexy back, but it would be further augmented by a sleek carbon fiber spoiler. There's not too much options available here in Manila, and shipping an option from abroad is a bit of a pain when it comes to customs and taxes. So I opted to have one fabricated right here at home. For the custom carbon fiber spoiler, I tapped the services of the maestro, an expert when it comes to fabricating, none other than Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Jerry has like over 13 years of experience in creating body kits, and right now he's the specialist and the expert who will make sure that Scarlet will have a sexier back. So, Jerry, walk me through the process. Ano ba proseso natin dito?
Ito yung preparation po para lagyan po siya ng balls niya. Tapos, pagkatapos po niya preparation, lalatagan na po siya ng resin sa fiberglass niya.
Okay. So, this is to prepare for the areas where the bolts will come in, and after that, that's when they'll start putting in the fiberglass resin as a mold, and then from there they will craft the carbon fiber spoiler. So there you go, guys. We're now at the preparation stage. It will take a couple of weeks before the carbon fiber spoiler is already done, but you guys won't have to wait that long. I'm just gonna have to cut it into this video once we do the install process. So let's take you to the next shot. There you go. That's the mold that we will use to cast the carbon fiber ducktail spoiler. And now we're back, guys, and I have now the final installment for the installation of my carbon fiber rear spoiler for Scarlet, and it's going to come on now. I'll show you what's going to happen next. So we have here Jerry, and he just brought the carbon fiber wing. There you go. It's still being fitted. And it looks good. It looks good, guys. Yeah. So, ano tingin mo, Jerry?
Okay naman po.
Sakto ba?
Sakto po.
Okay.
Fit na fit po.
Ayan. Now, paano ba natin i-install yan, Jerry?
Magbubutas po tayo dito, sir, sa ilalim ng trunk po. Para...
Okay. Ilang butas?
Apat po, sir. Dito, isa. Dito. Sa kabilaan.
So, 4 na butas.
Pero meron po tayo ditong double-sided tape.
Okay.
Para dagdag po siya sa
Ate Iwan.
Dagdag sa sa lakas.
Kapit, opo.
Sa kapit. Okay. So may 4 na screw, and then may double-sided tape pa.
Opo.
Okay, para siguradong hindi lilipa rin pag matulin ako patakbo.
Opo.
Oo. Kanina sa Skyway nag-180 ako eh. Okay. Hi, Luis.
Hi.
Ito po yung mark lang po ito.
So, mamarkahan mo na siya, no, para tama yung pagbarena, no?
Apo.
Yan ang gusto ko kay Jerry, perfectionist pagdating sa trabaho, Hindi pwede na, kailangan perfect. No, Jerry?
Apo, sir.
Okay, due to the configuration of the inner trunk lid, as you can see, there's a hole here already, and there's another hole here. Instead of coming out with 4 holes, 4 screws, we're just going to have 2 screws, 1 screw here and another screw here. Since the carbon fiber spoiler already has, a double-sided tape that goes around, that's already extra strong, so we'll just have 2 anchoring screws here. And I have a feeling that's why there are 2 holes there, because those 2 holes are exactly where the screw should be for a rear spoiler. Okay, so after drilling the holes, the next step is to put alcohol, right? Rubbing alcohol,
Para germ-free.
which will remove any wax or, in this case, ceramic coating, because my car is ceramic coated. So it will remove all impurities so that the double adhesive tape will stick very well to the car. Okay, so it's already partially mounted. Looks perfect. Jerry has to be very careful here so that the alignment won't be destroyed. It's going to put the screws in now. Looks like the measurement of the screws was spot on. It's already being screwed on. The first screw is already being screwed on. This is where the importance of precision comes in. Oops, okay, oops. Okay, so now that the screws are in place, we're now just going to pull the red tabs, which will unleash the double-sided tape. See, it's being pulled right now, and that should seal the adhesion of the spoiler to the body. So we've got 2 screws and a ton of double-sided tape. Will help keep the carbon fiber spoiler in place during high-speed runs. Okay, lower portion's done. Now we're going to the upper portion. Okay. Tapos na yung mahirap na parte, no? Galing talaga ni Jerry. Okay. And now all that's needed is, just a little pat. Make sure that the tape will stick and the contact is 100% complete. So there you have it, guys. We just finished installation of the carbon fiber spoiler. It's a custom-made spoiler made by a local carbon fiber specialist
Jerry. So it's right there at my back. You can see it. Okay. And the whole install process took around an hour and 15 minutes. And it just required, you know, 2 guys, that's me and Jerry, to make sure that it's all lined up. Okay, so if you're here in Manila and you're looking at, you know, having some carbon fiber bits fabricated, you could always tell me in the comments, and maybe I could help you out, hook you up with Jerry or something. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if there's anything that I need to improve on my videos in the comments below, and it doesn't hurt to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.